Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM concept series, in this video we'll see by using APM command how we can able to manage signal strength using UiAutomator2 driver and in the emulator. Okay, and we have a command called mobile:GSM signal. Okay, by using this command we can able to manage the signal strength in the emulators. Okay, so we'll see what exactly the mobile:GSM signal command. Okay, so by using this command we can change the signal strength in the emulators. Okay, so please we should note that this will only works in the emulators, and this option, that is this command, is available since driver version 2.22. Okay, and it supports only one argument, that is the strength. Okay, by using the argument called strength, okay, we can able to manage the signal strength here. Okay, and the acceptable values are 0, so that is type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can accept the 5 types of values here. Okay, and this 0, okay, represents the signal strength as none, 1 is equal to poor, 2 is equal to moderate, 3 is equal to good, and 4 is equal to great. Okay, so if you mention this type, okay, if you mention 0 means it will be none here. Okay, so this is all about the theory. Now we'll go to practical here. Okay, so before starting writing the code, I'll open the emulator and I'll show what exactly this, how exactly you can manage the signal strength manually. Okay, so if you observe at the top right corner we have 3 icons here. Okay, so the second icon is the signal strength, okay, of this emulator. Okay, now I want to change this one. So manually how we can able to change this one? If you click on the this 3 dots, okay, we have option called drop down is there, that is the signal strength. Okay, now it is full. Okay, it is a great. So as I told, right, so here we have the 4 options. See, the drop down we have none, poor, moderate, good, and great. So 5 signal strength we have. Okay, now it is in great. Okay, that's why it is showing as full. Now I will change this signal strength to none. So you can observe it will change here. So we need to wait for few fraction of seconds so that the change will reflect in the emulator. So now I change this value to none. Okay, see the value has changed here. You can see the icon here. It is previously it was full, now it is none. So once again I am changing back to, I say, moderate. You see the change will reflect here. Okay, it takes few seconds to reflect in the emulator. Okay, yeah, it is moderate. So this thing now I will change to great. Just wait for a few seconds, the change will reflect in the emulator. Yeah, see, so this is how we can change manually, okay, the signal strength. But I want to change this thing, the same functionality, I want to make it by Appium command. Okay, by writing the code here. Okay, so I open the Eclipse and I create a class under demos. Say the class name as GSM signal demo. So I name the class as GSM signal demo. Okay, so click on finish. So we quickly copy the setup and tear down methods from the sample class here, so that you can save the time. Copy paste here and do the necessary changes. Remove this package name and change the class name here. Okay, so our class is ready and we have the setup and tear down methods are ready here. Okay, in setup I have given the capability, that is the platform name Android, automation name UiAutomator2, and device name is the pixel 8. That is the name of my emulator here. Okay, so now we will write the code to change the signal's strength. Okay, so whatever we did the manually, I want to do it in the by the Appium command here. Okay, so we had to use driver dot execute script. Okay, and the key I need to provide is a mobile colon GSM signal. GSM signal. Okay, so we remember the GSM should be in smaller case and S should be in uppercase. So like this we need to follow. Okay, this command we need to follow here. Okay, and the next one is the key we need to provide. So come back to our this one. Then we say immutable map of dot of, and we need to provide the key and value pair. Okay, the first is the strength. Just a minute. Okay, the key has to provide the strength here. Okay, strength and type I need to provide the value of a type here. Okay, so first I want to do to make it to none, that is the 0. Okay, so I am making the signal to none here. Okay, and then after dead dot sleep I give 10 seconds here so that it has to reflect in the emulator, and I want to make it to back to full. Okay, so I say if I give the type as 4 means it is great here. Okay, so same thing, we write the comment here, change the signal strength to 0, that is none. Okay, same thing I want to put in the console. Okay, same thing I'll give in the console. Okay, the same thing I will say in the, here we are changing the strength to great. So here the value type should be 4. Okay, and it is a great. Okay, now we'll run the script here. Okay, we open the emulator and we need to start the Appium server. Open command prompt and say Appium. So we got the Appium server. So our Appium server is running. Now we run the key. So now it is full, right? I want to make it to none here. Okay, just click on run. So just observe in the right top corner of the emulator. It takes some fraction of seconds to change the value. See, now it is none. Okay, after 10 seconds I will change the value to full. Okay, it takes few seconds to reflect here. Okay, so from none it has to change to great, that is the full. the signal strength should be, see, now it's full. It takes few fraction of seconds. Okay, no need to worry. We have to wait for few fraction of seconds to change to different. Okay, one more thing we have to note here is that when the session is completed, the emulator will go to its back. Okay, default. It will go to the back default value here, the signal strength. Okay, and now what we'll do, we run all the signals one by one. Okay, so what I will do, I will use a for loop here. Int I is equal to 0 and then I is less than equal to 4 and then I plus plus, means I will test it all one by one. Okay, it tells all the signals. Okay, so just give it here. In the place of I is 1, 4, I just give the I here. Okay, so we have to wait for 10 seconds so that the emulator will refresh. Okay, here also I'll give the 10 seconds here and I print the value here. Copy this one, just say the I value. I. So we are checking the all the values here. Okay. Now what I will do, I just comment this one. This is already we have run this command, this code here. Okay. Now we are running the for loop and changing the values. All the signal strength we are testing here. Okay. So click on run. The signal strength is 0. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, no need to worry about that. It not sometimes not reflect because it takes, emulator has to take some time so that the signal strength will be 0. Okay, and it is 1. See, 0, then 1. See, you can just change the reflection is happening here. Okay, but it is some delay will be there. So from none it will become 1 and 3. The changes will come to see 3 and 4. Now the strength will become full here. It is great. Just wait for a few fraction of seconds. It will reflect in the emulator here. Yeah, see. So this is how we can able to change the signal strength by using the Appium command, that is the mobile GSM signal. Okay, and please note this will work in the only in simulator here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll post this code to the GitHub. Okay, and the same the article will appear will be available in the Medium. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.